Note, no showings until Sunday, February 20th after 12 o'clock. See private remarks for Showing Instructiions Charming 4-bedroom Craftsman-style home, only 6 years old. Open floor plan features family room with wood-burning fireplace, open concept family room, dining and view to the kitchen. Spacious kitchen with ample cabinet space and granite countertops, tile backsplash, large eat-at-breakfast bar, pantry and stainless steel appliances. Guest bedroom on main connects to full bath. Owner's suite has vaulted ceiling with fan and large walk-in closet and bathroom with double vanities, garden tub and separate shower. Additional 2 bedrooms that share a full bathroom. Note, one of the secondary bedrooms is oversized. You should never run out of hot water with 2, yes I said 2, 50-gal water heaters. Backyard has wood privacy fence with gate. Note, must be